Yo, so hello my friends, how are you? How are you feeling? What the weather? Huh? Have some news, good news, good news. How it was my last video about clutch actuator and washers, huh? It was cool, yeah? But today, much more cool, yeah. Maybe not. Okay, so today I will show you how I'm doing my job. If I did repair of clutch actuator and I give warranty for 30,000 kilometers, it's about 20,000 miles. How I do it, how I wrote it in my phone, how I check, and what? As look at this. This car, it was, I don't remember, a few months ago, maybe half of year. Now we will check and I will show you how I'm doing this. Yes, this car, them changed the set of clutch, and after that I changed the clutch actuator. My refurbished, okay, but now the car start to jerking, not moving good. Start to jerking, it's not smooth. And I try to, now we will try to do learning again, okay? Yes, but I did it and it's not help. So I said, bring me the car, I will check my clutch actuator. Maybe something wrong with it, right? Maybe. If not, it means it's something wrong with the clutch. So you need to go where you change the clutch. Not I'm changing the clutch. I just changed the clutch actuator. Let's do it and we will see. It's Toyota MMT as usual, 1.6 5-speed gearbox. And look at this, what I wrote in my phone. Yes, you see, I always make a photo of VIN number. And now I will find this car. The 1518. As let's go. Oh, so oh, you see, it's all cars I'm making. The warranty, how much? A lot of cars, you see, a lot. Some more information, a lot. You see, 22 years, 2022, 2021. a lot. So now we need to find this car. As let's find. I type the 4 numbers of his VIN number, chassis number. It's 1518. Let's check. Oh, you see, this is the phone number of customer, and it was, I wrote this say actuator. I changed only actuator in it, and it was this mileage. Okay, let's check how much now it has. So by my note, it says I did it on 1st of April. It's April, May, June, July, August. 5 months ago. About 5 months ago, yeah? And it was 176,000. Now it has 183,000. So he did how much? 3, 4, 7,000 kilometers. Okay, I provide warranty for 30,000. Okay. So it's my warranty issues. Yes. So I want to check that clutch actuator is okay and the car not jerking the reason of clutch actuator. As I will show you how it's jerking. Yeah. Yes. Look at this. Come on. So for example, I'm put reverse. Okay, engage it. And I'm release the brake. Maybe it's not possible to see, but it's moving, it's jerking. Wick. Let's first gear. Boom. Oh. Let's try reverse again. Boom. Oh. Okay, let's go little test drive. Boom, it's always do boom. Oh, some of bearing make noise. She said to me when it's going down the gears, it making this. No, it's okay. Reverse. Yes, little jerking. But let's check why it's jerking. Or the clutch actuator or the clutch. It's no any reason. So let's do calibration. Let's try to calibrate it. And we will see. Maybe it will help. Yes? So as usual, I will use this device. It's much more easy and much more faster than any computer. Oop. Now we turn on the switch, checking that is no trouble code. See, no trouble code. Okay, we can make the calibration. Calibration for clutch only. Cuckoo. Okay, calibrated. Let's try reverse, how it will. can understand. Let's. Yesterday it was jerking from this parking place. Oh, yes, it's drive. I put the drive. I'm releasing the brakes, and it's moving. It's moving back. Oh, boom, boom, boom. See? Okay. So let's remove the clutch actuator and check it that it's okay. Okay? Okay, so we have it. So let's check how it installed. The hot. Yes, so it's okay. It's no any gap. Okay, let's remove it. And as usual, I will now remove nothing else, just the clutch actuator. What I need this screwbokrent screwdriver and this tool. That's all. Let's go. Even it's hot, it's no matter for me. Look at this, how I'm doing it. Oppa, like this. Like this. Now I'm doing like this. So now I will remove it to the earth. And I got it. You see? Yes, it's mine actuator. Nobody has opened it. I have my marks. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so let's check it. Let's remove the motor and we will screw it by screwdriver and we'll feel how it moving. Oh. Oop. The motor is okay. Let's see, it's dry. No problem. And let's move it by screwdriver. This way it moving very easy. It must to moving smooth with no any stucks. If you will feel some little stucks, this is the problem. Now back it will hard because it has spring inside. But also it moving hard but very smooth. Yes, it's working okay. You see, it's not problem with this clutch actuator. It's working good and very good. Yes, no problem. So put the motor back, install it back, and we will do calibration again. And don't forget to make the shaft out maximum. Don't forget. This is important note. So let's go install it back. Okay, let's install it back from the bottom. Oh, yes. Now. And once again, I'm moving to this way that it will no gap, no any gap. Now I need to move it and tighten the bolts. I need to move and hold by hand as I can. Yes. Opa. Yes. Now let's connect the. So let's do calibration again, because we removed the clutch actuator. This and this. Let's try reverse. Oh, not jerking. No, it's the same. Little, but it's not as it was before. I think that the calibration helps. But now I'm sure that the clutch actuator is okay. Yeah, see? Once again. Yes, it's little jerking. One time I saw that the soft of TCM, it was old, the first version, and also did this little jerking. I'm installed another soft. No, also I was changed the clutch actuator. But okay, let's check what the soft it has, and we will try if it has. It little start to jerk and moving. Let's check what the TCM it has. How to do it? It's very easy. I will show you. need to open this, remove this. Yes, let's move out and let's see what we have. Where is the number? Oh, yes, it's the first version. Yeah, you see? Okay, I will now check if I have at this moment another version, and we will try to install the 92. Okay, so yes, I have one. This is the he has 19 and mine is 92. It means it was 90, 91, 92. Also I have 93, but what the difference with this one? It's the same, but not possible to make calibration via wire. So I will install this one because I can calibrate it via wire. Okay, let's install it. It's very easy, very. Up. And we will see if it will some difference. I will offer for customers this one. Up. Let's so now as we change the computer, we need to do calibration, full calibration with 4 minuses. So let's do it. It maybe has some trouble code. Look at this. Yes, it has trouble code in memory. What it was? 3. It was I don't know what. Okay, no matter. Let's check. I'm going to 4 minuses now. So I'm turn on the switch and we must to hear the gears engaging. Yes, the gearbox is calibrated on this TCM. And we have check engine. Why? Because this TCM contains some trouble code. Okay, I will use computer to erase the codes. So let's try if it will jerking with newest version. And it's not jerking. Really? Yeah, it has some changes. Yes, I feel it. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. Let's connect back the oldest one. Let's check one more time. I want to be sure. Right. Good. I have two calibrated TCM for this car. Yes, it's jerking. It's jerking. Yes, yes, yes. So that's all, you see? Really, I see what is the difference with oldest version of TCM and newest. Yes. Now I will call to customer and will say that clutch actuator okay, all okay. You just need another TCM and I have. And also, I can reprogram your TCM. If you have oldest version, send to me, I will reprogram it. Message me, we will talk about it. So thank you once again. Call me, message me, I'm online. Yeah. So I received the feedback from customer and she said the car driving difference, wow, very good as it was. Yes, very good, more smooth and the help on the start is start to working another. So you see, I don't thought about the computer old version can do this problem, but now we know about it. And as I say, if you want to receive this version, I have, and I can reprogram your TCM. Diesel, petrol, Yaris. Okay? Yeah.